What's up guys? My name is David and welcome back to AwesomeTubees Toys. And here is the Constructicon Transformers G1 reissue by Walmart. This is exclusively to Walmart. And here's the box. It says the Transformers more than meets the eye. This is the evil Decepticons. And together, 6 Constructicons form a mighty Devastator. As you can see here, the box art is here is Bone Crusher, Hook, Scavenger, Long Haul, Scrapper, and Mixmaster, and they all form into a giant robot called Devastator. So on the side, I have a picture of all of them merged together into Devastator, and with all 6 robots. And over here, you can see almost the same Devastator with all 6 robots. I love the box art back in the 80s, and you can see the grids exactly how I remembered. In the back, you see the 6 Constructicons, and right here, here's the profile of Devastator. And right here, you can see his strength. He's pretty powerful. Intelligence, not as much. Speed is very slow. Endurance, pretty high, but not that high. He has a lot of courage. Firepower, not that strong. Skill, very lacked. And right here it says Devastator, thinking and winning do not mix. Awesome and terrifying, a bizarre combination of 6 Constructicons, Scrapper, Scavenger, Bone Crusher, Hook, Long Haul, and Mixmaster. Pure brutality. Sole purpose is to crush all in his path. His mind is mending together of the 6 parts, but limited by their competing thoughts. Enormous in height, incredible strength. Can knock down a bridge with one punch. Has a 10,000 C solar energy beam rifle. Slow, awkward, not too bright. So he's not that bright, but he's very powerful in strength. So here's the box art. Yeah, let's open this up and see what's inside. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new notification of my channel. So I'm unboxing this, and I also have 2 other channels. One is my tech channel, one is my vlog. If you like it, please subscribe to my other channel too. So let me adjust my camera, and let's take all these robots out, see what's inside. So here, this is, I got it from Walmart, and it's $79, and it's very hard to find, so it's always sold out, and I got lucky enough to order them. So here is the sticker sheet for all 6 robots, and they even label the names and instruction on how to transform them. Let's take it apart. So sticker sheet, instruction on how to transform them. And yeah, let's take this out. So I need to cut this in order to take them out of the box. They tape them pretty well because there's a lot of pieces, so they might fall off. So it's good that they secure this thing very well. So finally, Constructicons. So let's take one by one out. I just knocked some stuff over, so let's put that Iron Man over there. So here is Mixmaster. He looks exactly how I remembered, and yeah, the wheels actually spin, and to transform him is very easy since he's almost half done already. Just pull out the leg and transform, pull out the arm, and he's ready to go. Mixmaster. So let's go to the next person, the next robot. So here's Long Haul. He's a dump truck, and he's the biggest one of all 6. He formed like the, I guess like the waist of Devastator. And this is his head, and it's very easy to transform. Oh, it's hard to balance him too. So, there you go. Scrapper. He's the leader of all the Constructicons. So there's a rubbing sticker. You can review that he's a Decepticon. So all you have to do is pull out his leg, pull off his hand, and he's ready to go. You can see they've already put some of the sticker on there for me, so it's almost half done. Also, he also had balance problem. So next one is Scavenger. This is his alt mode, and he also has a sticker. And to transform, just pull out down his leg, pull over his toe, lift out his head, pull off his arm, and here it is, Scavenger. Also have balance problem. So I'll usually put this down to balance himself so he won't fall. So the next one is Hook, one of my favorite. He formed like the upper torso. Let me pull it down, pull out the arm, and his arm came off. Already his arm is already falling off. And this is my, so you have to be careful. You know it's brand new, but the mold part is old, so it's not as good as when they first have this mold. So he looks pretty cool. You can see his head scope right here. Already have stickers, and this is his back. Also have leaning problem, falling problem. And last is Bone Crusher. So you can see his like tread right here. He's like a tank. And you pull out his arm, lift up the hood, and that's his head right there. Hope I don't break him. The head keeps coming down. I don't know why. Not as good as I remembered. The quality. There you go. Let's snap into place. Lift up this. Pull down his leg. Pull down his foot. And there you go. I don't like his arm kind of bent down like that. It doesn't look natural. So there you go. That's the 6th Decepticon. So I still have all the parts to form Devastator. So let's unite them and transform them into Devastator. Okay, let's transform them into the left leg, I believe. And you need to use the extra parts and snap it in, form the left leg of Devastator. And here is Scrapper. Scrapper turns to his right leg. Just pull it down and you push it in here and just snap into place. Already I have a problem. I think the mold is too old or something, or it won't snap into place. There you go. So it doesn't even stay that well. I think they should redesign this. So look at this, it's not even in all the way. So you just have to be careful, even though it's brand new. And long haul turned into the bottom half of the body. So you just have to fold this leg. And push it in here. See, it's keep falling apart. I don't really like it. Even though it costs $80 without tax. With tax it's probably like 80 something. So that's the lower part of the body. And this part form. Now you need hooks to form the middle body. So just pull him and transform him. So you gotta put it together right here. See that? And already it fell apart, so I have to redo them. And look at this. Something broke. But I don't know what it is. Just gonna have to deal with it later. So this guy formed the right arm, and this metal part plugs into here. Let's put on his fist. So there's a little peg right here, you just put it in. So here is Devastator, transform and ready to go. So that's his box art, and he looks pretty similar. So here is his gun. So let's put on his right arm. So yeah, this is Devastator. It looks pretty cool. Not that big. And let's compare him to Hot Rod. He just a little bit bigger than Hot Rod. So yeah, not that big. Like how in the cartoon. He was a giant in the cartoon. So I have a ruler right here, and I don't know how tall he is. He's about 8.5 inches tall. You measured the shoulder, probably 9, but a little bit over 8. So yeah, not as big as I remembered, but really decent. Looks pretty cool. Here's from the back view. Oops, already falling apart. So if you like my channel, I hope you like my channel, and you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I have also 2 other channels. Please, I'll put the link below. If you like it, please follow me and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next toy review. Peace out.
Young ones,